Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Velar D200 Edition, with an eye-catching Hakuba Silver Exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Range Rover Velar also comes fitted with matrix LED headlights as well as 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, also featuring keyless entry and privacy glass. This Range Rover Velar also benefits from a full service history. The D200 engine boasts an impressive 201 brake horsepower, as well as achieving up to 43 miles per gallon. Stepping inside the Velar now, we're just going to take a look at the Meridian surround sound system, as well as the driver's seat memory function, electric window controls and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with heated electric front seats, as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive Privy Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the rear camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover Velar now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with Isofix and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.